A negative scanner digitizes film negatives and slides into high-res digital files. Top models range from Pro flatbeds, Epson V850, to dedicated 35mm units, PlusTech 8200i, and speedy all-in-ones, HP Film Scan. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize quality, speed, or format versatility. Starting at number 1. Film Negative Scanner. The KODAK Digital Film Negative Scanner is a compact, standalone converter designed to breathe new life into your old film collections, supporting 35mm, 110, 126, and Super 8 negatives and slides. With a 22MP output resolution and a built-in 2.4-inch LCD screen for instant preview, this device lets you digitize memories without needing a computer. Simply insert the film, press scan, and save JPEGs directly to internal memory or an SD card. Adjustable brightness, color, and flip options help fine-tune each image, while the included USB power, AC adapter, video out cable, and cleaning brush make it a complete, user-friendly solution for home archiving. Number 2. Wolverine Titan 8-in-1 High-Resolution 35mm. The Wolverine Titan 8-in-1 film-to-digital converter is a fast, standalone solution for digitizing a wide range of film formats, including 35mm, 127, 126, 110, and APS negatives and slides. With a large 4.3-inch color screen and HDMI output for high-definition TV viewing, this device converts each frame in about 3 seconds using unique speed-load adapters for quick, hassle-free feeding. No computer or software is required. Simply load your film, preview on the built-in display, and save digital files directly, making it an efficient choice for quickly archiving diverse film collections at home. Number 3. KODAK Mobile Film Scanner. The KODAK Mobile Film Scanner is a fun, lightweight novelty device that turns your smartphone into a film digitizing tool. No complicated hardware or expensive services required. This collapsible cardboard platform comes with a battery-powered LED backlight and film tray, allowing you to position your phone's camera over 35mm negatives or slides, then capture and save images using the free companion app. While it's designed more for playful experimentation than professional-grade archiving, its portable, eco-friendly build and super simple operation make it a charming, budget-friendly way to rediscover old memories with family or practice scanning before investing in higher-end equipment. Number 4. DIGITNOW 22MP All-in-One Film and Slide Scanner. The DIGITNOW 22MP All-in-One Film and Slide Scanner is a fast, standalone device that converts 35mm, 110, 126, and Super 8 films, slides, and negatives into digital JPEGs in as little as 2 seconds. Featuring a built-in 2.4-inch LCD screen for instant photo preview and TV out capability for larger viewing, this compact scanner saves images directly to internal memory or an SD card, up to 32 GB, without requiring a computer. With adjustable brightness and color settings, software-interpolated 22MP resolution, and USB connectivity for easy transfer to Mac or PC, it offers a simple, user-friendly archiving solution, especially suitable for older adults or anyone seeking quick, hassle-free digitization. Number 5. Rybozen Mobile Film and Slide Scanner. The Rybozen Mobile Film and Slide Scanner is a compact, foldable device that lets you digitize 35mm negatives and slides using just your smartphone. No computer, software, or expensive services required. Built with a rugged plastic body and a built-in LED backlight, this portable scanner folds down to the size of a small box for easy storage and travel, making it a fun, accessible tool for casual archiving. Simply insert your film into the tray, position your phone's camera over the viewing hole, and capture images using the free Rybozen app, which also lets you crop, filter, adjust color, and share directly to social media. While image quality depends on your phone's camera resolution, it's a great novelty gift for parents, a fun activity for kids, and an affordable way to rediscover old memories without the headache of professional conversion.